The happiest day of my life was my last birthday. I was celebrating with my friends when the word I like arrived. Suddenly, she smiled and waved me a special envelope with money inside as a wife. I felt incredibly lucky and surprised because I wasn't expecting it. After that, we talked for hours and had a great time. Currently, I am saving that money to buy something really special. I always remember that day with a lot of joy. Now, now in out my past in extremely important because it is the foundation of how I am today, where I remember my past struggles. I realize how strong and capable I am. Every mistake I made in the past was a valuable lesson that taught me how to grow. Now I use all of those experiences as pure motivation to build a brighter future by embracing my personality. Has story I am becoming the best version of myself every single day.